How to capture full page screenshot on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go to your Safari here. Let's say you want to capture all everything here to this page. So what you want to do is to just take a screenshot. So tap on the upper volume of your phone and then the power button, and then press it in the same time, and now you have now successfully screen capped it. Now it will look like this. So here you will see screen there. So you will see different tools. There are tools on the bottom part and the upper part. So you will also see there screen and full page. Now if you want to screen the full page, is you have to tap on the full page. And now if you tap on that, you will be able to have this copy of the whole page of what you have just screenshotted. So let's say you are now done. Tap on done here, and then tap on save PDF to files, and just tap on to your where you want to save it. Let's say to my downloads, and basically tap on save, keep both, and then basically that is how you capture full page screenshot on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.